Welcome to today's video. What we're going to be doing today is unboxing the new Holzfforma 372xp. And I'm doing this intro about halfway through me doing it, or me putting it together. The saw is already together, but I just now realized, well, I should say it's a couple days later, but after looking at the video I realized my mic was on the wrong way, and so you're just gonna have to deal with seeing the mic in the video, in the first half at least. Today we are going to be opening the old Holzfforma Chainsaw. I saw these on I don't know, a couple of different YouTube videos and figured I cut enough trees, why don't we order one up and give it a try. This did come from China. It is a Chinese chainsaw. This is the G372xp, which is a 71cc chainsaw according to the box. Nice and taped up. No real damage. None of the corners are pushed in, which is good. So let's get to opening it. Ooh. Lots of bubble packing, which I guess is a good thing. Give you a view in there. Bubble wrap, bubble packing, some sort of, oh, probably want this to be used as a gas can. I got my own, but it is labeled petrol, which I believe is what the UK calls fuel. These pops. Alright, some sort of, I don't know, tools or something here. Nice owner's manual. It's always nice to have. Oop, another bubble. Get this out here. Toolkit. As I stated earlier, it is made in China. We'll give it a try. Open this, see what's in here. No garbage. Alright, this looks like it's the Log Dogs. Ooh, that is a little. Do not lose that. I assume that is important. Put that on top there. It's either important or it fell into the bag. Let's get this opened up. Smells like a chainsaw. I guess if chainsaws have smells. There she is, the blue saw. Looks like a chainsaw to me. 372xp. I was really hoping for a wraparound handle. Does not have the wraparound handle on it. I thought it did in the picture. Oh well, we'll do without. Alright, let's see what we got to do here. Sort of toolkit. Let's see what comes in the toolkit. Two Allen wrenches, a flathead screwdriver, and a chainsaw tool. These must be for putting it together, I guess. Now I have a, when you buy these, you can buy them with a bar. There we go. Like I was saying, when you buy these, you can buy them with a bar and chain. I have a bar and chain already from my other saw. So I opted not to get the bar and chain because I'm just going to put my 24-inch bar on it from my Husky. And I'll run this with a 24-inch bar. Alright, here she is. The only thing we need to assemble is the log dogs and the bar and chain. So it comes with two different sets. I guess if you wanted to pick which one you want, I assume, because they both line up and they both fit on there. I'm going to opt for the bigger ones just because it'll match the other side. So what I got to do is I got to take this rest off of this small one, put the rest on the big one, and then install it. I'm sure this will just end up vibrating off one day, but we'll put it on there. Get nice and race tight. Alright, let's put this on. 2 screws, Allen heads, comes with the Allen wrench, which is nice. Make sure these are nice and race tight. Alright, there's that. That one's on there. So then you got this other side. This one sits outside here. I assume something like that. I don't think it goes the other way. It's got a little, you know, cut back to it. So we put it on the other way. It would be upside down. I'll put it this way. And there's a little hole here. It's not threaded, but we do have a screw that came with here. I assume that goes in there. It's a coarse thread. Let's put it on here and make sure it lines up perfectly. Let me get a screwdriver. Okay. There, that's attached. Went in there nicely. Alright. Before we get too wild, we are going to let's pull this cover off. just check the spark plug. Make sure it's tight. Wow. Air filter's nice and tight. Spark plug is tight. Pretty simple. Not much to it. Got your on-off, your kill switch, and your choke there. Not much to it. All right, let's get the bar out. Put the bar on this thing. Come on, little fella. You too good for your home? All right, here's the issue. It doesn't want to go on there. It doesn't have enough adjustment. All right, well, that won't stop me from starting it. The cover on here. So we'll start it and we'll do a couple heat cycles with it. All right, let's go over into the middle of the garage and see if we can't get it to fire up. All right, on choke, I assume it's gonna get a couple pulls to prime it. Ooh, sunglasses, what's up? Decompression's in. Oh, first sign of life. Pop that compression back. Whew. The heck. Come on, baby. What the frig? All right. I got a screaming headache. Why won't you start? Choke works. Throttle works. Like, do I have the snarl stop is in? Okay. What if it's not getting spark? Oh, what the frig? I guess that's what you get when you buy Chinese. Pulled the spark head wire right off of it. All right, I need a break. Need a break. I'll be back with you guys in a little bit once I compose myself. All right, I'm back. Seems that we have pulled the spark plug wire off. How are we gonna fix this? Oh, I really don't want to take this whole case off. let's see here. 1, 2, 3. Could it be that simple? Could it just be 3 bolts? 1, 1. There, half goes out. Oh boy. Goes into the starter cover and goes up front. How are we gonna fix this? See if we can, I mean, it's already broken, so we might as well see if we can pull that out of there, try to reattach it. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna put this wire through here, see if I can pull it out, and then reattach it. Alright, that's the wire. So this just kinda, it's just kinda like pressure holds on there, I guess. Okay, that's back. So the issue I'm having is I got it back in there, but it's in there crooked, so I need to get it straightened out. So it'll go back on top of the plug. Alright, that might be close enough. Let's put this top cover back on. Actually, let's see if we can get it to run first. Choke. On. Come on. Well, now that it's flooded, let's get some air. Ooh. Let's pop off there. Ooh. Oh, we gotta move the camera so you see this. So when you have a flooded implement, or tool I should say, like this, when it's flooded, you want to give it the most air possible, so no choke and full throttle. Alright, it runs. So I'm gonna let that run outside for a couple minutes, and once it's all warm, I'll bring it back on. We'll put it back together, and then we'll do another heat cycle. All right, a couple days later, got the bar in, ordered that from Oregon, and just came in the mail is the chain for it. Now this bar said it was a 91 link, I think, maybe 92. Either way, I couldn't find one that was an exact match. So this is a 93. So this bar said it's a 92 drive link. This chain is a 93 drive link, and I hope it works. For some reason, they don't make a 92 drive link in a 058 by 3/8, or at least one I could find. Oregon doesn't have them on their website. I had to go on Amazon. Amazon had nothing. And so I got the next best thing, a 93 drive link. All right, bar and chain are on. I guess lesson learned, if you're gonna buy one of these, just order it with the bar. They offer the bar and chain for like, I don't know what it was, 30 or 40 bucks. However, with this model, they only offered a 24 maximum length bar. I already have a 24-inch bar, so I didn't want a 24-inch bar. I wanted something a little bigger. I wanted a 28-inch bar, and I went on the Husqvarna website, which is the knockoff of the Husqvarma 372xp. And then on their website, the maximum bar length for this saw is 28 inches. So that's why I went with a 28-inch bar. There she is. All right. Let's see if she fires up. Choke on, kill switch, decompression. All right, a little bit of life, that's good. Turn that off so it can free spool. Turn the choke off. Well, it runs. Cut's nice, however, sounds like it needs some carburetor tuning. I'm sure you could hear it there. It just doesn't want to seem like it wants to get into that high RPM. So, but it runs, it cuts, works for me. I'll once I'm ready to actually cut down some trees and I'll be using it a while, that's when I'll do some carburetor tuning and stuff like that. But for right now, I'm glad that it's all together and ready to rock and roll. So, well, oh man, it's probably pretty windy out here. Hopefully this little fuzzy thing on the mic does its job. I think that's what it's supposed to do. I don't know. Well guys, thanks for watching today's video. I hope you liked it.